अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगेन। होप सो आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे और खुश होंगे। आज मैं आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ और एक नई ब्राइड के साथ। ये हल्दी ब्राइडल हैं। इनका नाम अंकिता है और ये गुजराती ब्राइड हैं। इनका ऑलरेडी मैं मेहंदी ब्राइडल पैकेज कर चुकी हुई थी, जिसमें हम लोगों ने किया था इनका हाफ अप एंड हाफ डाउन विद ड्रामेटिक आईज मेकअप। और आज भी ये हल्दी के ऊपर रिक्वेस्ट करी थी कि प्लीज़ मुझे कर्ल्स कर दिए विद द ड्रामेटिक आईज़। तो फिर मैंने इनको समझाया कि लाइक आपको आज ब्रीड के ऊपर जाना चाहिए, ताकि आज की जो लुक हो वो बिल्कुल मेहंदी लुक से थोड़ी डिफरेंट हो। लेकिन थैंक गॉड ब्राइडल इस चीज़ को समझ गई थी, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि चलें ठीक है, हम लोग ब्रेड कर लेते हैं। तो ये आज की वीडियो जो भी होगी, इसमें मैं सारी आपको नाइस टेक्सचराइजर ब्रेड की सारी डिटेल्स बताऊंगी। अच्छा, जो ब्राइडल की ड्रेस और जो ज्वेलरी थी वो सारी की सारी इंडिया से बन के आई हुई थी। और जो उन्होंने अपनी बालों के ऊपर हेयर एसेसरीज़ लगाई थी वो उन्होंने शीन से बाय की हुई थी। आप इसको अमेज़ॉन से भी बाय कर सकते हैं, आप इसको लोकल स्टोर से भी बाय कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे भी आपके पास अवेलेबल हो। और जो इनकी ज्वेलरी थी वो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी। और ये जो ज्वेलरी थी इन्होंने कस्टम मेड करवाई थी, अपनी मर्ज़ी का डिज़ाइन करवाया था कि आप कुछ भी डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। और वो स्पेशल इंडिया से शिप होके यहाँ पे कनाडा के अंदर आई थी। और ब्रेड के ऊपर आप फ्लावर्स का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि जैस्मिन हो गई या बेबी ब्रेथ हो गए, आप उनका भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। आप बटरफ्लाइज का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। जो भी आपकी ड्रेस या जो भी आपकी लुक के अकॉर्डिंगली जाए, आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो भी आपकी प्रेफरेंस हो। अच्छा जी, इस हेयर स्टाइल के लिए मैंने 2 किस्म की हेयर एक्सटेंशंस यूज़ की थी। एक जो थी वो सिंथेटिक हेयर एक्सटेंशंस थी, जो मैंने पाकिस्तान से बाय की थी। वो ऑलरेडी कर्ल थी और उस हेयर एक्सटेंशंस को मैंने एज़ अ बेस के तौर पे इस्तेमाल किया था। यानी सबसे ज़्यादा बॉटम के ऊपर सबसे पहले मैंने उसकी बेस बनाई थी और उसके ऊपर ऑन टॉप मैंने ब्राइड के हेयर और ह्यूमन हेयर एक्सटेंशंस का इस्तेमाल किया था। और जो दूसरी हेयर एक्सटेंशंस थी वो थी ह्यूमन हेयर एक्सटेंशंस, जो कि मुझे ब्राइड ने प्रोवाइड की थी। उन्होंने ऑनलाइन बाय की थी, काफ़ी अच्छी उनकी क्वालिटी थी, लेंथ के लिहाज से भी और थिकनेस के लिए भी लिहाज से भी। अच्छा जी, यहाँ पे मेरी होती है वॉइस ओवर ख़त्म। आगे की वीडियो में आप मेरी और ब्राइड की चिट चैट को इन्जॉय करें।
All the guests were posting, and I was like, I'm adding in my story.
Yeah. Can you please send me some good pictures?
Yeah, sure. I wanted to wait until the photographer
Oh,
sent.
okay, okay.
So I know he's sending it by tomorrow evening.
Mm-hmm.
I'll I'll tag whatever I do. I've been tagging. I've told whoever is the vendor posting.
Mm-hmm.
I've been giving your name too. So because I like it, I'm like, oh yes, whoever can post that, I like it. But yeah, for sure, I'll send it over because I was just really surprised. Like, whoa, this looks amazing.
Yeah, the colors and everything turns out really good too.
We were up about for until 2 a.m. I was like, okay, I have to go to sleep.
And tomorrow is a really long day as well, right, for you?
Yes. So today, because I'm like, okay, so this is meant to be. Everyone, whoever, like all the ladies who was here, they were asking, "Who did your makeup?" I'm like, "You." I'm gonna go follow her
Oh,
and
that's so sweet.
take it because there is another bride happening. I think end of like October or something. Because I know most of our guests are also traveling. I don't know if she got everybody, but that's the thing, right? I feel whenever people are traveling in the beginning, they're like, no, 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 we'll do it ourselves.
Oh, yeah.
And I asked them several months ago when I'm booking everybody's hair and makeup. That is like, oh no, no, sweetheart, I'll just do it myself. Don't be hesitant. We'll take care of it. I'm like, oh, okay. And then like 2 days ago, Monday she comes, she's like, oh, do you have somebody? I'm like, I can't find somebody for you last day.
True.
You know,
It's too much.
I'm like, why don't you like nearby salon, like beauty salon, just walk in there and maybe you can find somebody. But I don't think people would be willing to travel if you ask them. Because even I remember like when we were getting ready for my sister. Remember one time you arranged somebody named Rani?
Yeah.
So I even gave, but even she's busy. So you can't expect people to be available last moment.
Oh yeah.
Because they have their condition, right? They're like, oh, if somebody can travel to hotel or something.
And the problem is like, it's a long weekend,
Yeah.
so everybody's
Everybody's
crazy
booked.
busy. Yeah.
Yeah. Probably some people might have like more than 2, 3 same day, right? Like you can't expect that, oh, you can just ask to come tomorrow. It doesn't work that way. It might have worked probably a few years ago when people are just starting off and you might find somebody. But the plaza, there is a Sugar. It is actually quite big salon too. I know for the groom side, they did the same thing with me. Okay, so when I asked them last year, end of last year, like guys, should I book your hair and makeup? Should I book? Then they tell me in like April. That and Sita, do you know somebody?
No, it's true.
So I got few calls from that Sugar because I literally walk in. Because all the other ladies who I would reach out online, they're like, sorry, we're booked, sorry, we're booked. Because it's a prime season for weddings. So I found somebody for their. So they have this salon where do hair, makeup, hair cutting, I think wax and everything. So they have a lot of girls over there. So these guys are like, yeah, you can bring in up to 5 or 6 ladies. We'll make sure. But even they, you know how you come and help out with the pleats and stuff.
Yeah.
They would do only hair and makeup. The sari pleating and stuff, they don't do.
Oh, I don't do the sari plating too. I don't know how to do that.
No, because not everybody knows.
Yeah,
right? So,
you have to hire a special lady for the sari plating.
so I found this lady who does sari plating for like $30, which is very reasonable. And sometimes, okay, so if you give her some more money, I think $50-$60, and you drop off a sari day before, you know how like some girls, like I know I want when I wear sari, I want it like really ironed and stuff. So she does that. So I gave them that contact, and I'm like, can you guys do it? Because I was so busy with the other arrangement. I thought they booked it. They didn't.
What they did?
They did. Somebody we know, like other hands, they went to help them out of it. I'm like, it's not my problem, so you figure it out. I gave you information. But then you can't expect to come and just call that lady now. She's suddenly available next day.
Oh yeah, true.
So I've stopped worrying about it. It's like, forget it. Why am I worried for them?
Oh yeah. And the thing is, like, you have to do a lot of your stuff as well.
Yeah. But like, I still try to be like considerate, and I reach out and be like, let me, because they're coming from US. So I'm like, I can book stuff. You have to just tell me. They're like, oh, pass down the contact, we'll do it. They didn't. I was like, what was the point of me finding stuff for you? If you're not gonna book it?
Exactly. Just waste your time.
Yeah. But everybody have those relatives, so I'm not gonna even bother. Ooh, yes.
Right. Yeah. Nice texturized, pillowy kind of look, right? Love
and
it.
It's not in my face so much. Okay, because I notice it's hot outside today. Yeah.
It was a big amount, so I don't want to mistake them. Hi, girl. What's up?
He kind of got that job.
That's good.
Yeah. Like maybe it was this guy's luck that he probably, probably needed to become a VP,
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah, it's a lot too. Can you check my mirror again?
Yeah.
Higher?
Yeah.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, this is over there, yeah. Bit higher? Yeah, bit higher. Yeah, that's good. Because I don't want too close to my, oh, there you go. That's better. Okay.
Is it okay if we just put the chimney on top and we can take the pictures?
Yeah, I can put it for a few minutes.
Oh, it's totally up to you because I don't want to,
No, I want to see the
If you're
whole look.
comfy, yeah.
So anyway, that's why I want to
Mhm.
put it on and see, and then I can, because I'll keep my short underneath. I'll
Mhm.
put it on and see. Because it's within like hour we are leaving, 2 hours I think.
Mhm. Are you okay? अच्छा जी, ये है ब्रेड की फुल लुक। होप सो आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो को बहुत ही ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया होगा और आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आई होगी। आप अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखें, दुआओं में याद रखें। इंशाल्लाह दोबारा मुलाकात होगी एक नई वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, बाय बाय, टाटा।